progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. A new coronavirus variant called C.1.2 has been identified in South Africa. Along with additional mutations, it also shares a few common mutations with the Beta and Delta variants. Scientists suspect it might be more transmissible and might not provide protection even after getting vaccinated. According to scientists from National Institute for Communicable Diseases and the KwaZulu Natal Research Innovation and Sequencing Platform, the first case of the C.1.2 variant was detected in May this year in South Africa. In the last 28 days, South Africa has reported 308,747 cases of COVID-19. In total, the country has recorded 27,64,931 cases with 81,595 deaths. As of 13th August, China, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Mauritius, England, New Zealand, Portugal, and Switzerland have reported cases of the C.1.2 variant.